Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification. We are going to open up our Macys December box and see what we got in the mail. So I'm trying something new here. I'm trying to do a little background music while I'm talking. Oh, look at that sparkly little makeup bag, sequins. Perfect little pass on to my girlfriend Jessica. This is from Ritual. It's the Ritual of Sakura. It's a body wash. I'm having a little problem with my contacts, so I have to go to glasses today. Obviously I'm having a problem with my hair too. Look at that. Yeah, see, it's a body wash. I had to look at it, put my glasses on and check it out. So inside this little sequin bag is going to be our little pink package, as it always is every month. Ooh, pink. I know that's what I'm thinking. Ooh, pink. You don't see me open up the pink tissue. I don't think I show it to you. I just want to show you the goodies inside. So another mascara from MAC. And then a little face mask from Borghese. It's a brightening and firming mask. We'll give that a try and see how much we love it. Then from Sunday Riley, the Title moisturizer. And then this Good Girl perfume. I actually filmed this about a week ago. I'm telling you, this perfume is fabulous. A little excuse me, a little metallic lip, red lip from Smashbox, and that's it. So I'm going to do a little get ready with me with some of these products. You guys know I'm listening to my music in the background. It's one of those days. So I'm going to go into this Sunday Riley Title. It's just a little moisturizer for my face. My skin is so dry. Look at my hair. All the purple is coming out. So it looks like I'm going gray. There, put some in your hair, Susan. It'll be okay. If I'm really going gray under that purple hair, I'll freak out. Obviously, that's what I'm looking at, my grays. See? Not gray. Not yet. It's not time. I'm looking for some foundation. I'm trying to use a couple different things. So this is Marc Jacobs. No, it's not. Well, it may be. I think it's Marc Jacobs Shameless. I think. This is my MAC, is it a MAC brush? It is a MAC brush. It's a new MAC foundation brush that I have. And it is the MAC 17170? Oh, something like that. I got my glasses on. I can't even see today. So what I'm trying to do is go through some foundations, wear them, see how they do on my skin, and then either pass them on if they're a regular size bottle, or throw them away. I have so many foundations. You guys know I have so much crap. This is my Airspun powder, of course, from Walmart. It's the only place I've ever found it, but it's very inexpensive and very finely milled. Definitely my favorite drugstore powder. Just going to use a little bit, set down that foundation. I don't know that I've ever found a foundation that's non-transferable. They may say they are, but they always come off. There we go with the hair again. There's that gray hair. The Airspun is a scented powder, so if you don't like scents, I'm going to spray some of my Mario Badescu lavender spray, just kind of set that powder down so I don't look too chalky. I have no idea what I'm listening to in the background. So I'm going to go into this Sigma palette. This palette here is, hold on 1 second, it's right in front of me. The Brilliant and Spellbinding palette. Just to try it out. It's primarily mattes in here. Or looks to be when I go into the palette. I think the first thing I put on I think is matte, but it ends up being a shimmer. I forget what eye primer I use. I kind of go back and forth with using eye primer. I don't know that I've ever noticed a difference. I'm gonna do it with my take my brushes and just use my little makeup switch to clean them. Do this all the time in between brush cleanings, like deep cleaning, which I just did not too long ago. See, I just grab them and, you know, I'm lazy. I do them all at once. It's okay. We're all different here. See, I thought it was a flat color, a matte color. It's not. It's got a little shimmer to it, but it'll be fine just to set that stuff down. I'll work around it. No harm, no foul. Just keep going. Ooh, I gotta do something with that hair. And we're gonna go in with that color that looks a little mustardy to me. And I believe the name of that, the name of that shade is Sensational. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Not the perfect blender. I get good enough. Be alright. You're not on a makeup artist channel, you're on just an average girl that loves makeup. So I'm going to go in with the next shade, which is, I don't know because I can't see. It's like a dark mauve. Need to put on my Hubble contacts that I'm raving about. It's interesting, my doctor gave me some sample contacts at the same time I got these Hubbles, and oddly I'm going back in with that white because I really do like it. I'm just brightening that white up that I originally used to set the base. So anyways, yeah, the contacts from the eye doctor are less comfortable than the $3 set from Hubble. But I'll keep you guys posted as I continue to try those contacts out. think I'm going back in with that burgundy. Just deepening it up a little bit. More of a everyday look is what I'm going for. So now I'm going to go in under my eye. That same burgundy, plum, mauve. You know what I'm talking about. I always buy my Sigma stuff on QVC. Never buy it from Sigma. Just, I don't know why. I think I bought from Sigma when there's been a sale, but that's the only time. Zoom you back out. I'm going to go in with our Hoo Hoo bronzer. I swear I'm never going to find the end of this palette. Or this compact. It's just... the elves are refilling it every night. That brush is a Too Faced brush. It's like their powder brush. I always use it for bronzer. Hair. Stop playing with your hair. Nobody likes that. I look at these videos and I start to see that chin. Ugh. So we're going to go back in our Milani blush. Still, I can't find the end of that palette either. Won't have very good luck with my Pan 25 by Christmas, will I? Yikes. So we're just going to use our ColourPop pencil and color in those brows a little bit. Microblading is looking better and better. Shirley and I are gonna, Mama, and I are really thinking about getting this done. Go back and forth about the brush. I mean the pencil versus the dip brow. I think I've just gotten used to the dip brow and the look of it. Oh yeah, get it, girl. I'm gonna go into the brow gel. Just set that down. Yeah, Susan, not all over the face. This is definitely an everyday look for me. I used a couple things out of the Macys box, but there wasn't much in here to use. I'm going to put on a highlighter from ColourPop that we're also trying to use up. I'm going to just use my little beauty blender and just pop it right there on the cheek bone. Struggle with how to use this highlighter. I'm just trying to get rid of it. It doesn't look like it, but it goes on very pinkish on the skin. We'll go with our little MAC eyeliner. This is like the Extend Lash one, I think. It's around here somewhere. The thing with the MAC ones is that they're pretty small. You use them up in about a week. MAC is, the eyeliner's okay. It's not, I mean the mascara's okay. It's not the best. I'll tell you, probably my best for the year has been the Super Fan and Bad Girl Bang. Those two have been some of my favorites this year. I'm hoping Butsy doesn't start barking, but he's acting like the last 3 minutes of this video is going to kill him. He's just that way. He wants his mama to take him somewhere. Sorry you hear my laundry going in the background too. It's 3:30 in the morning. What the hell? I'm doing laundry and makeup videos. What else do you do when you can't sleep? I'm looking for stuff. There you go. There's my little lip. When I went to put this on, I didn't realize it was metallic. And I put it on and I'm like, ugh. You can tell by the half smile on my face, I'm like, I love red, but I don't know that this is the red I wanted. Now we're going to go in with our setting spray from Too Faced. It's the Hangover setting spray. I'm trying to use that up too because my bottle is leaking. Oh, bless you. And then my Good Girl perfume. Love it. It smells so good. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys.